Hey guys, what's going on? Mintz here, and today I am finally releasing 6 free to use Valorant headers, and they will be in the description ready to download, as well as the corresponding Photoshop files that I've designed them with. That way, if anybody chooses to want to change the text on the headers, they can change it to their alias or any other person's alias that they may want to use. The 6 free character headers I am releasing this time around is going to be an Omen header, an Astra header, a Raze header, a Jet header, a Phoenix header, and a Reyna header. Again, I will have just the photo file in the description ready for download, and I will have the Photoshop file as well if you want to change any of the text. All the Photoshop files are corresponding layer colored and organized properly. That way, if you wanted to change anything inside of these headers, you can do that very easily just by downloading it and finding it there. Thank you guys, hope you guys enjoy. Later.